Imagine this. The order is ready, the boxes are packed, the truck is waiting. But something goes wrong in the logistic process. A delay, a mistake, or missing information can stop the whole shipment. In a real factory, every step in the logistic process must be clear, fast, and accurate. So how do workers communicate these steps in simple English every day? In this lesson, you will learn practical English to talk about the logistic process, from preparing goods to delivering them. Let's get started.
Hi, Mai. Are you ready for today's shipping process?
Hi, Nam. Yes, but I need your help to understand it.
No problem. First, we check the order.
Is this the customer order here?
Yes, check the quantity and product.
The quantity is 300 units.
Good. Now we go to the warehouse.
What do we do in the warehouse?
We pick the goods for shipment.
Who does the picking?
The warehouse staff does the picking.
I see them scanning items.
Yes, they use a scanner for accuracy.
Now, what is next?
Next is packing the goods.
Why is packing important?
It protects the goods during transport.
What materials do we use?
We use boxes, tape, and labels.
I see the label on the box.
The label shows the address and details.
What details are on the label?
It includes customer name, address, and tracking number.
What is a tracking number?
It helps track the shipment.
That is useful.
Now we prepare the packing list.
What is in the packing list?
It shows all items in the shipment.
Okay, I understand.
Next, we prepare the invoice.
Is the invoice for payment?
Yes, it shows the value of goods.
What is next after documents?
We arrange transport.
How do we arrange transport?
We contact the forwarder.
The forwarder books the truck.
Yes, or ship or airplane.
Today we use a truck, right?
Yes, local delivery.
The truck is arriving now.
Good timing. Now we start loading.
What is loading?
Putting goods onto the truck.
Who does the loading?
The warehouse team does it.
They are careful with the boxes.
Yes, to avoid damage.
Now everything is on the truck.
Good. Now we check the delivery note.
What is the delivery note?
It confirms the goods for delivery.
Does the driver sign it?
Yes, the driver signs it.
Do we keep a copy?
Yes, always keep records.
What happens next?
The truck leaves for delivery.
How do we follow the shipment?
We use the tracking number.
Can we check it online?
Yes, on the system.
What if there is a delay?
We contact the forwarder.
What if goods are damaged?
We report the problem.
This process is very detailed.
That's the end of today's lesson on the logistic process. Now you understand how to talk about each step, from picking, packing, and loading to delivery, using simple English in your daily work. Remember, a smooth logistic process depends on clear communication and careful work at every step. Take time to review the key vocabulary and practice the conversation again. In the next lesson, we will learn about another important topic in the factory. See you next time.